Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use AI on Notion. Now, Notion has integrated artificial intelligence into its platform to enhance productivity, creativity and collaboration within your workspace. So here's how to utilize this AI feature in Notion for 2025. Now before you can utilize it, you have to first enable Notion AI. How do you enable Notion AI? Subscription. You see, AI features are available to users with Notion AI subscription, typically around $10 per month per user. Now, how do you activate it? First, you have to open Notion on your laptop. Next, click on Settings and Members in this sidebar. Then navigate to the Notion AI section. Toggle the switch to enable Notion AI. Now, once you've done this, how are you going to utilize AI connectors? Which is our feature. The AI feature we're going to talk about today is AI connectors. Now, what are AI connectors? They allow Notion AI to access and retrieve information from external sources like Google Docs, Sheets, and Google Slides. So how do you use this? The first thing you need to do is to connect your Google account in Notion settings. Connect your Google account in Notion settings. Then enable AI connectors. When asking Notion AI a question, select the desired source, e.g. Google Docs, to fetch relevant information. So simple as that. Now, please regularly check for Notion updates to access the latest AI features and improvements, because by integrating AI into Notion workflow, you can enhance productivity, streamline content creation, and effectively manage your projects.